Okay, so we have here fraction. Okay, and we want to make it in the form of mixed fraction and also in decimal form. So first is to divide the 8 by 5. So we have the divisor and the dividend. So how many 8, how many 5 are there in 8? So 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. And subtrahend 8 minus 5 is 3. Now as you can see, the question is how many 5 are there in 3? But to get the mixed fraction, this is easy. This is easy. So you write the 1, which is the quotient, and the remainder becomes the 3, and the divisor becomes the denominator. So the answer is 1 and 3/5. And to have the decimal form, okay, we will continue. So as you can see, the remainder is 3. So we want to continue to have the decimal form. So I write a dot, so a dot in the right side of the 8, and the dot also above. So, and adding 0. So you bring down the 0. So the question is how many 5 are there in 30? So 6. And 6 times 5 is 30. And getting the difference, so the remainder is 0. So as you can see, the quotient is 1.6. So that was the decimal form. Alright. So that's it. And we tried this number 2 problem. So as you can see, we have the 12 as the numerator and 8 as the denominator. So the 12 is the dividend and the 8 is the divisor. So how many 8 are there in 12? So the answer is 1, and 8 times 1 is 8. So getting the difference, 12 minus 8 is 4. Then you must, so to have the mixed fraction, the quotient 1, so there was the 1 there, and the numerator is the remainder, which is 4, and the denominator is 8, the divisor. So we have 1 and 4, 8 as. Okay, so how many 8 are there in 40? That was 5. So 1.5.